Good Saturday afternoon, everyone. Glad to be back. I'm glad that you're tuning in, checking out this video today. It's going to be a short video. Don't have much right now going on, but I'm going to give you an update on the Camaro. My wife, earlier this week while I was out on the road working, she took the car down to the muffler shop and finally got the Super 10 Flowmaster that I ordered a while back ago, and I was having trouble because it needed to have some special pipes bent on it. So I had that put on. That ran me about $100. Had that fixed, and the guy redone the tailpipes on the car, and I'm going to show you that here in a minute. And I'm pretty pissed off about what the guy did. I know he probably had good intentions to the reason why he did it, but I have underglow on the car, and I'll show you the reason why I'm pissed off that he did that. Second of all, I got the spoiler. I rattle canned the spoiler. The guy that does the paint work, he can't get it in right now, I guess. I asked him about it, so I don't know what's gonna go happen with that. So that's that. But it's rattle can right now. I tried to put a clear coat on it, and actually it dulled the finish on it. The paint was actually brighter, glossier, more depth into it than the clear coat. So I don't know. So that's gonna have to do for now until, I don't know, maybe later on down the road I'll take it off and have it painted, or I will attempt to do it myself here in my garage. Comment below if y'all want to see that happening. But let me show you this exhaust underneath this car and the reason why I'm pissed off about it. Then what? As you can tell, the guy got the tips straight. As far as I can tell, they're straight. As you can see right there, he added a piece of pipe in there. So let me show you why I'm pissed off for the reasoning. As you can tell, they spray painted this and got it all underneath my damn car. I'm not too happy about that. Yeah, I'm not happy about that. I did try to attempt to weld a brace on these collection pieces here that I had, and it didn't work out too well. So he went and welded that piece in. I guess it made it stronger, so now it's all a one piece deal. And as you can see, let me try to zoom in here. As you can see, the muffler is on down there, and we're going to start it up. I haven't heard what it sounds like yet, so we're going to do a cold start on it and see what it does. So, but this right here pissed me off. I did not want him to paint my car or anything like that. So now I'm gonna have to go under here and paint this black, because you can see right there from the back, you can see it silver up inside the battery spare tire area, and it looks awful. And as you can tell, he got it on the exhaust tips. Not too happy about it, but instead of going down there bitching about it, you know, I'll just go ahead. I can clean the tips up, try to get the overspray off of it. So let's go ahead, let's start this thing up and hear it for the first time. not very raspy like it was before. It had a lot of drone. It was a lot louder at the cold starts. I could tell the muffler has quietened down the car quite a bit. So let's hop in it. Let's run down the road. Let's listen to it. Tell it don't have a lot of the pops like it did before without the muffler on here. It does have more of a deeper, aggressive tone to it, you would say. And I think it's a lot better. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with the way it sounds right now. I'll have to admit, the straight pipe was pretty obnoxious, and I'm glad that I stuck the muffler on the car. And I want to thank my wife to go down and get that put on. We are heading down to Tennessee May 15th through the 16th. They got Camaro Mountain down there, and we're going to be down there, run the tail of the dragon and all that. So if you're going to that, comment below and let me know. We may be able to meet up or whatnot out in the parking lot in the hotel. So let's go ahead, let's drive around a little bit more and listen to it. All right, so we come here to KFC to get some dinner for the family. So the car does have a little bit of the popping still, like it was straight pipe. I think it's pretty good still. Pretty happy with the Flowmaster Super 10, and I highly recommend if anybody's looking for a one chamber type muffler, definitely check out the Flowmaster. It does have a good tone to it. So, but let's go ahead, let's pull up, let's get our dinner, and catch you back at the house, and we'll end the video. I know, like I said, it was a short video, so catch you at the house. Alright, so I'm back here at the house now. We're gonna go in, eat our dinner. KFC. If y'all haven't had KFC, y'all don't know what y'all's missing. Lee's chicken don't have nothing on it. Popeye's chicken don't have nothing on it. So let me go in and eat dinner, and I gotta come out and deal with that mess over there. I may make a video on that deal. It needs an alternator on it, and anybody knows on those Ford Escapes, like I think it's the 01, 04s, the alternators, they're a pain in the butt. I may make, like I said, I may make a video on that, doing that. It's about a 4-hour job, so I don't know, but we'll see what we do. So, but hope you enjoyed this video, and comment below, tell me what y'all think about it down there. If y'all like that Flowmaster Super 10. So, all right, we'll catch you on the next video. Y'all have a good night. See you on the next one.